Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope better than me. I had a little problem. So as you can see by how dark it is, the weather forecast called for rain, so I thought, well, what am I going to do? And then I had the idea of, well, maybe I'll come up. So this highway out here is it's called the 410, just outside of Enumclaw. And as I drive up here and come out the woods, you know, the airfield or whatever, there's all these stops along the way, and I just zoom by at 65 miles an hour, and I always wonder what's up there. So I thought today I would just stop and explore around and check out some of these areas. And I get to the first place, and my Nikon, which is my waterproof camera, I went to go screw it on to the base here, and I dropped it. Camera, which I've done before, but now when you turn it on, hopefully it makes a liar out of me and I can still use it. The screen is not showing. Although it does light up a little bit, but I can't. It doesn't display. See? You can see the light in there because there's power, but I don't know how to. I'm hoping there's a way I can Google it, or there's a reset button that I can open it up and like get the screen back on. But this was the camera I was going to use today primarily, and now I don't have any way to film anything I was going to do today because I can't afford to get this one wet. That's why I had this one. So I may be out of business today, which really sucks. I don't know what to do to get the camera working. May have to contact Nikon and have it sent in for servicing. But that really sucks, man. So I was gonna come, and I'm just standing at a picnic table. You can probably see the roof behind me. Shit. I mean, I got the Venmont, but it's got the waterproof case, so I could film something. But then the video quality is not as good. I mean, it's not awful. Crap. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'm kind of stuck. I kind of need the tools. You know, I need the tools to do the job. Mainly. I mean, yeah, I can still go explore, but the whole point was sharing with you guys, you know, what I was looking at. But just because I dropped the damn thing. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I had something I was going to make for lunch, but that's not going to be for a while. And I can't afford to get the Canon wet because I don't want to have to replace 2 cameras or have service done on 2 cameras. Just don't have the money. So, crap. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do now. This might wash the whole day just because of equipment failure. Damn. All right, well. I guess I'll keep you guys in the loop. What's going on? If it starts working, I can start filming. That was the camera I did all my local eats on. It's the camera I did all my the highway shots. I mean, I could probably still record, but I won't know what I'm looking at all. I mean, I could delete all the footage, but I can't zoom in. I can't zoom out. Damn. A rotten luck. Well, I guess we'll just see what happens, and maybe I'll drive up the road. But I don't know now. I'm very unsure. Anyway, I guess I'll let you know what's happening. All right, take 2, because I can't speak. Just want to give a quick update. As of now, it is 10:18. I just filled out the questionnaire on Nikon's service webpage to get the camera fixed. $118. Cheers. Just because I dropped it. So, I'll let you know what's going on and what their emails back are. If I hear back, yes, we can fix it. No, we can't. Or they may just fix it and send the camera back. Fingers crossed. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll at least have that camera back up and running soon. So.